Guys, imagine you have an online store. Let's say it's a new energy drink brand called Din Dan. The product is ready, the website works. But now you need to reach the right customer with the right message at the right moment. That's where Klaviyo comes in. I'm Daniel. Welcome to my channel where I make smart tutorials. Klaviyo is a B2C CRM that brings marketing, analytics, customer data, and service into one platform. In this video, I'll show you how to create a real email campaign for Din Dan energy drink. We'll prepare the campaign step by step, from building the right audience to setting up the email and getting it ready to send. Also, I've left all the useful links in the description down below, so don't forget to check them out. So let's get into it. Alright folks, we're inside the Klaviyo dashboard. On the left side we have the main menu. Campaigns are for one-time messages like launches, discounts, or announcements. Flows are automated sequences for key customer moments, from first contact to follow-up messages. Then we have audience, where customer data is organized, and analytics, where we can track performance. There is also a built-in marketing agent that can help with campaign ideas and content creation. You can open Klaviyo through the link below and follow these steps with your own store as we go. Mates, for our Din Dan energy drink campaign, we'll start with the audience. I go to lists and segments. Klaviyo works with two main audience types. A list is a fixed group, like everyone who subscribed through a website form. A segment is smarter because it updates automatically based on customer behavior or profile data. For example, a segment can group people by recent activity, purchase behavior, sign-up status, or location. For this demo, friends, I click Create Segment and name it Din Dan Energy Active Subscribers. Klaviyo gives us different conditions for segmentation. We can choose people based on what they have done or not done, like opening emails, clicking links, placing orders, or not buying for a certain period. There is also predictive analytics, where Klaviyo can help identify customers who may be likely to purchase again. For now, I'll keep it simple and choose if someone is in or not in a list. Then I select everyone who is already in our email list. Klaviyo sets the condition, and we can see how many profiles match. In a real store, this could be hundreds or thousands of subscribers. If needed, we could add more rules, like people who purchased in the last 90 days, customers from a certain country, or subscribers who engaged with recent emails. But guys, for this campaign, the basic active subscriber segment is enough. Now I click Create Segment, and our audience is ready. Next, I create a new campaign. First, I give it a clear name, so it's easy to find later. Klaviyo offers two campaign types. Omnichannel works across multiple channels, while single channel keeps it to one. For this demo, we'll choose the single one, because we are creating a focused email campaign. Now, folks, Klaviyo asks which type we want to use. We can see email, SMS, WhatsApp, and push notifications. This is the omnichannel side of Klaviyo, but today I choose email. The first important field is Send To. Here I select our segment, Din Dan Energy Active Subscribers. Next is Smart Sending. It's already turned on, and it helps prevent email fatigue. Klaviyo can avoid sending another email to people who recently received a message from us, for example, within the last 16 hours. Below that, we have Tracking. Friends, I turn on UTM parameters, which add special tags to the links in the email. This helps track campaign performance in Google Analytics or other analytics tools. We can customize source, medium, campaign name, and other parameters if needed. Now I click Next and we move to the message step. Here we set up the email itself. We have fields for the subject line, preview text, sender name, and sender email. On the right side, we can choose templates or start from an existing design. Guys, let me take a little break to ask you to like this video and subscribe to my channel. It's absolutely free, but helps me make even more fun tutorials for you. Thanks! Now we're inside the email editor. It's a drag-and-drop builder. We can build the email with visual, text, and product elements that fit the brand style. For Din Dan energy drink, the email should be simple and direct. The customer needs to understand what the drink is, why it matters, and what action to take. For example, the campaign could focus on a new flavor, a launch offer, or a limited promotion. There is also a draft with AI button, folks. This is Klaviyo's AI assistant for creating email content. It can help generate the structure, copy, and tone of voice for the brand. It's useful for creating a first draft quickly, though I would still review and adjust the text before sending. I also check the desktop and mobile preview. This matters because many customers will open the email on a phone, so the mobile version needs to look clean. After adjusting the email, I click Next. Now mates, we're on the final review screen. Klaviyo shows a full campaign summary with green check marks. And as you can see, recipients are completed, so the campaign goes to our segment. Smart sending is enabled. The message is ready, with the subject line and email design prepared. Tracking is also configured, so the UTM parameters are already connected. There is also a follow-up email option. This can automatically send another message to people who did not open the first campaign. So, if someone misses the first email, Klaviyo can help us reach them again, without building a second campaign manually. Folks, we can adjust the follow-up details, choose the timing, and decide when the second message should go out. Once everything looks correct, I click Schedule or Send. From here, we choose the send time and launch the campaign. If you'd like to try the same setup with your own store, you can sign up through the link in the description. And that's the full workflow. We built a segment and picked our audience, then set up email as the channel with smart sending and tracking enabled. After that, we designed the message, reviewed everything, and got the campaign ready to send. So guys, Klaviyo is not just another email tool. It's a B2C CRM that helps online brands connect customer data, marketing, analytics, and service in one place. In this demo, we used Klaviyo to build an email campaign for Dindan energy drink. We built a smart audience segment and got the email ready with tracking enabled. Then we reviewed everything and scheduled the campaign. For e-commerce brands, this kind of workflow helps make campaigns more targeted and less scattered. Mates, check the links in the description. Try Klaviyo with your store and see how it fits into your marketing workflow. If you're excited to try it out, or if you've already used it and have some thoughts to share, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, until next time.